Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the incredible power of Gemini AI and how you can harness its capabilities? Today, we're diving deep into this revolutionary technology, breaking down what it is and, more importantly, how you can start using it to unlock new possibilities. Gemini AI isn't just another chatbot. It's a sophisticated, multimodal AI model developed by Google. What does multimodal mean? It means Gemini can understand and work with different types of information simultaneously: text, images, audio, video, and even code. This makes it incredibly versatile and capable of tackling complex tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human experts. Think of it as a super-powered assistant that can not only process your written requests, but also interpret visual cues and understand the nuances of spoken language. So, how do you actually use Gemini AI? The most accessible way for many is through Google's AI-powered products. For instance, you might already be interacting with Gemini through features in Google Search, Google Workspace applications like Docs and Gmail, or even through dedicated AI interfaces. The key is to engage with these tools naturally. If you're using a Gemini-powered writing assistant, simply start typing your prompt or question as you normally would. The AI will then offer suggestions, help you draft content, or answer your queries based on the vast amount of information it has been trained on. When it comes to more advanced applications, developers can leverage Gemini through APIs to build their own AI-powered applications. This allows for incredible customization and the creation of tools tailored to specific industries or needs. For example, a medical professional might use Gemini to help analyze medical images, or a programmer could use it to generate code snippets or debug existing programs. The beauty of Gemini AI lies in its adaptability. Whether you're a student looking for help with research, a creative professional seeking inspiration, or a business owner aiming to streamline operations, there's a way to integrate Gemini into your workflow. The more you experiment and interact with Gemini-powered tools, the better you'll become at crafting effective prompts that elicit the most helpful and insightful responses. Remember, the AI learns from your interactions, so clear and specific instructions will always yield the best results. It's important to approach AI tools like Gemini with a curious and open mind, understanding that they are powerful aids designed to augment human capabilities, not replace them. By learning to communicate effectively with these AI models, you're not just staying ahead of the curve, you're unlocking a new era of productivity and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Gemini AI. We hope this has demystified its capabilities and inspired you to start experimenting. If you found this information helpful, please consider following for more insights into the exciting world of technology.